Java is a widely used, object-oriented programming language known for its platform independence, robustness, and security. Here are the basics to get started. Public class Hello World defines a class named Hello World. Public static void, main string args, the main method where execution starts. System out println Hello World. Prints text to the console. Java has different data types. Int age equals 25, integer. Double price equals 99.99, decimal number, char grade equals A, single character, boolean is Java fun equals true, boolean value, string name equals John, string sequence of characters. Java supports arithmetic plus minus asterisk /%. Relational equals bang equals greater than or equals less than or equals. Logical ampersand pipe bang. Example int a equals 10, b equals 5, system out println a plus b, output 15, system out println a greater than b, output true. Control statements if else int num equals 10, if num greater than 0, system out println positive number, else system out println negative number. Switch case int day equals 2, switch day case 1, system out println Monday break, case 2, system out println Tuesday break, default system out println invalid day. Loops for loop for int I equals 1, I less than or equals 5, I plus plus system out println I. While loop int I equals 1 while I less than or equals 5, system out println I plus plus. Let's talk about the do while loop. Here's a simple example. Int I equals 1, do, system out println I plus plus, while I less than or equals 5. This loop will execute the print statement at least once and then continue as long as the condition is true. Now let's dive into functions, also known as methods. Consider this example. Public class main, static void greet, system out println, hello. Public static void main string args, greet. Here we have a method named greet that prints hello. In the main method, we call this function. Java is an object-oriented programming language, which means it follows certain principles. Let's go over a few key concepts. Class, this is the blueprint for objects. Object, an instance of a class. Encapsulation, this concept involves hiding data. Inheritance, this allows reusing features from a parent class. Polymorphism, this means having multiple behaviors for the same function. Example of a class and an object. Let's define a class named car with a string brand set to Toyota. In the public class main, within the public static void main method, we'll create an object. Car mycar equals new car. Finally, we print the brand of mycar using system.out.println mycar.br and exception handling is used to manage runtime errors. In a try block, we attempt to divide by 0 using int divide by 0 equals 5 divided by 0. If an arithmetic exception occurs, we catch it and print cannot divide by 0. Regardless of what happens, the finally block will execute and print this will always execute. For input and output, we first import java.util.scanner. In the public class main within the public static void main method, we create a scanner object named sc using newScannerSystem.in. We prompt the user with enter your name. The user's input is stored in a string variable called name. Finally, we greet the user with hello plus their name. Would you like to explore any of these concepts further?